Hello, this is our mini project for advanced microcontroller and it is made in group of 2 members, IoT based 16x2 LCD. Myself Santhalya Nidhi and group with my friend Unagar Shreya. This IoT based 16x2 LCD can be used for the remote data monitoring using Node MCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and Blink application. I have been using 16x2 LCD for displaying the census data. In this mini project, I have shown use LCD on our mobile and display the sensor values and text messages just like ordinary 16x2 LCD, but this is version of LCD as a wireless. For this project we used components and tools are ESP8266 microcontroller with Wi-Fi, it's Node MCU. Second, 10K variable resistor, 1 LED and Blink application designing for the IoT 16x2 LCD display widget and Arduino IDE for programming. In this image shown LCD widget on Blink app and it is displayed with variable resistor value and my name as text. This is shown connections on Node MCU. As you can see, the variable resistor middle pin is connected with S0 pin of Node MCU, while the rightmost and leftmost pins of variable resistor are connected with 3.3 volts and ground, as well as it is connected with green LED. Here shown, different values are displayed as varied. In this image. Now this is the code for our project. In this code I've been using authentication ID from Blink and to connect Node MCU, add hotspot SSID and password. This is the whole code for programming. Okay, this is the screenshot of successfully uploading code in Arduino IDE. We have been installed simple timer library for uploading code. In this video we have shown the virtual LCD displayed values which are varies with time. This is Node MCU connections with variable